Hi, welcome to Peg Space Bytes. Today's Space Byte is about Soyuz 4 and Soyuz 5. Enjoy. The USSR was prepared to launch a challenging endeavor. Soyuz 4 and Soyuz 5 were scheduled to be launched one day apart from each other and docked together while orbiting Earth. 4 cosmonauts were chosen for these 2 missions. Vladimir A. Shatilov was aboard Soyuz 4, while Boris Volinov, Alexei Yeliseyev, and Yevgeny Kornov were aboard Soyuz 5. Vladimir A. Shatilov was born on October 8, 1927, in North Kazakhstan. He became a Russian pilot cosmonaut. As a cosmonaut, he was involved in 3 missions. He was the commander aboard Soyuz 4, Soyuz 8, and Soyuz 10. Boris Volinov was born on December 18, 1934, in Irkutsk Oblast, and was a Russian pilot cosmonaut. He was involved in 2 missions. He was the commander aboard Soyuz 5 and Soyuz 21. Alexei Yeliseyev was born on July 13, 1934, in Kaluga Oblast. He was a Russian engineer cosmonaut who was on 4 missions. He was a flight engineer aboard Soyuz 5, Soyuz 4, Soyuz 8, and Soyuz 10. Yevgeny Kornov was born on September 10, 1933, in Tuzky Oblast. He was a Russian pilot cosmonaut involved in 2 missions. When he flew in Soyuz 5 and Soyuz 4, he was the research engineer. Shatilov was the only cosmonaut aboard Soyuz 4 when it was launched by a modified SS-6 sapwood rocket from Baikonur Cosmodrome, USSR, on January 14, 1969, at 7:30 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Volinov, Yeliseyev, and Hernov were aboard Soyuz 5 when it was launched by a modified SS-6 sapwood rocket from Baikonur Cosmodrome, USSR, on January 15, 1969, at 7:05 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. On January 16, 1969, Soyuz 4 and Soyuz 5 successfully docked. Soyuz 4 was in its 34th orbit, while Soyuz 5 was in its 18th orbit. During the 51st orbit of Soyuz 4 and the 35th orbit of Soyuz 5, cosmonauts Yeliseyev and Hernov floated hand over hand into Soyuz 4, so that only 1 cosmonaut remained in Soyuz 5, and 3 cosmonauts were in Soyuz 4. All the cosmonauts remained in their respective vehicles until they landed. Soyuz 4 and Soyuz 5 were docked for 4 hours, 35 minutes. While in orbit, the cosmonauts performed different types of experiments, observations, investigations, and measurements. They also conducted TV reporting and photography. Soyuz 4 landed on January 17, 1969 at 6:51 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, with 3 cosmonauts on board. Soyuz 5 landed on January 18, 1969 at 7:58 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, with 1 cosmonaut on board. Both capsules used parachutes to land safely on Russian soil. I hope you enjoyed today's Space Bytes. Remember, endeavor to discover new horizons and challenge yourself to reach for the stars. See you next time. Bye-bye.